What's up, internet? It's a new week. Took a week off making videos just because I had a lot of work stuff going on. Now that that's done, I can go ahead and continue doing videos. So now I know in the last video we said that we were going to continue working on the little mirror project, but that's probably gonna have to wait for another day because it's going to take me about 4 hours to print that part, and it's already 9 o'clock. We'll print those pieces separate probably this weekend, and once we get that printed, then we'll continue on that. This video, we're going to relocate some constant power, or we're going to kind of add some constant power, so we can hide that plug for the dash cam, which is awesome. Haven't had to use it yet, but it exists. We're going to go down in the garage, and I already have a good solution to what we're going to do, and I've done this before. If you ever watched the original Civic videos, we did this with the fog lights, a little bit different, but we did add a keyed ignition fuse to the circuit without really cutting wires or anything like that. So it's a really good way to add power if you need it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, but first I gotta eat, so I'm gonna go eat something real quick, and we'll go down in the garage. This is how you afford car parts. Ramen down the hatch, now it's time to do some wiring, but I forgot my wiring box. Got our box of wiring stuff, so we can make wires if necessary, which will be. And crimpers, crimps, all kinds of stuff. Oh yeah, it's another thing. They replaced my door and track and yeah, all sorts of stuff. They didn't replace the actual door itself, just the track and the opener. And it's now actually like super freaking quiet. I've been playing this for a little while, pretty much since IFO. But so I have a couple of these, they call them ATA circuits or fuse taps. But this is basically, it's just a little circuity thingy. It basically lets you tap into a circuit, and it should be, there's two fuse ports on the back of it. But I got this one. I think I have another one as well somewhere. Also got some of these, which needs to go in the box. And then one of these, which is just a kind of like a Y cable. So all we're gonna do is get one of these female sockets into the glove box, so we can have power dedicated to the dash cam over there without it taking a spot. Wrong. Right. If you come under the car, and I can only speak for mine, but somewhere under here, there should be a fuse block. So, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, there's 15. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this fuse out. I'm gonna have to get some like pliers or something to pull it, because I don't think I can just grab it easily. But we're gonna pull that 15-amp fuse out right there, and we're gonna make sure by just trying to turn it on and see if we have accessory power, which should be the cigarette lighter, which is what we're using now anyways, so it's perfect. Let's go ahead and get some new nose pliers, pop that out. Plug them in, turn it on. Okay, so you can see we have no power here to our this guy. Normally this guy lights up blue, but we ain't got nothing here. See? Which is normal when you pull out the accessory fuse. So now we're going to work on getting our wire ran up. So there's no way that this thing pulls more than 10 amps. We're just gonna put the 10 amp fuse in that, dedicate it. So stupid light. So what we're gonna do is over here, I have all this wiring, but all this is for the dash cam. So we're just gonna wad this up even more, zip tie it, if I can find my zip ties, and we're just gonna wad it back into this so that it's just out of the way, and we don't have to deal with it. Okay, so I'm missing something that I really need, and that is we have a positive wire here which comes off the tap here. It has to ground out after the circuit's been completed. The closest ground under the dash is basically one of the screws that holds the airbag, which I think will be fine. I think it'll be fine. I mean, either way, even if I don't use that, I still need an eye hole kind of piece, but I don't have that, so probably gonna have to wait till tomorrow to finish this. Okay, so I found a small one from one of my old electronics projects, the light bar actually, and we're gonna try and reuse this, but I gotta find a screw hole or screw spot that's small enough to accept it, so I guess let's keep going. Plan B. Alright, so just when I thought I was clear, I tried to plug this tap into the car, but this is an ATR style, and this is an ATM style. The ATM style is what my car uses, as you can see, which is slightly different. I don't think they have these at Walmart, but at this point I'm willing to go to Walmart to go get this and more eyelets. If they don't, then we might be in trouble, and in the past they haven't had these fuse taps, so let's go see if we can find one at Walmart or something real quick, and see if we can continue this whole project tonight, not have to wait a day. Alright, so apparently Walmart has one, but it's the far Walmart, not the close Walmart, so we'll get that as well as some eyelets, so let's do it. Alright, we're back and we got the right ones. We got ATMs now. So now we can finish wiring this up. I forgot to get out eyelets, but it's okay, we can work around it. So that's what we were planning on doing anyway, so let's finish this up. Stick up here. Viola. So you got 10 amp dedicated for this guy. You got a 15 amp down here, which is factory. So I can have my outlet back or not use it at all. And over here, in here, I just have a female plug, which allows me to, like, you know, plug stuff in with a 10 amp circuit, which is nice. Ooh, look, it's all clean, no worries. Look, you can't even see them down here. I'm into that. We're done here, and I found my zip ties, which is it's always a good deal when you find stuff that you thought you lost. Put all your crap back away and call it a night, because it's already after 11, and, well, I need my beauty sleep, man. Either way, that's about it for this episode. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you like what we're doing on this, or you have watched a couple of the videos here, maybe you should stick around. I know I would, and I mean, I might be biased, but I mean, it is my channel after all. If you did enjoy this, get subscribed, click the thing down there with the bell, the thingy, and the thingy, so you get notified with new videos, and you know, that whole 9 yards. It's free. What's it gonna hurt? If you don't like what I put out, well, you can click it 2 more times. I need to stop making corny jokes. That was horrible. Anyways, I'm gonna go finish this up and by just putting the panel back and then turning off all my lights, cleaning up. Yeah, I need to stop talking. So until the next one, which, okay, hold on. before we close it out, because this is serious. I need to grab my coffee for this. Next video, crossing my fingers. As long as everything goes according to plan, to the plan that's already been put in place, next video is going to be a huge announcement when it comes to Project RSX. There's been some things that I've mentioned in the last video of what we need to get going with the rest of the build, and this is going to be the piece that I need to get this thing going. There's a lot of good things that are happening right now, and as a matter of fact, last Saturday when I kind of set it all up, it changed my perspective on life. That's how big it is. Like, normally I'm a pretty, you know, I guess my friends and everybody I know would pretty much call me pessimistic, but I've been very, very uncharacteristically positive, and it's now Monday, and I'm still in that mode. I'm still giddy as all get out, because this means I can actually have the freedom to do what I need to do. So if you haven't subscribed, get subscribed. You're gonna love it. If you're on this channel and you're watching car stuff, especially RSX, you're gonna love this. It's free. Subscriptions, free. Click the bell for other notifications. I'm gonna spam this stupid thing that I keep popping on the screen over my face, or whatever it is that I'm looking at right now. It's just gonna keep going and going, and maybe that's enough. All right, cut that, Patrick. Editing Patrick, stop it. That's stupid, but whatever. That's enough of that. Stay tuned. You'll love it. Get subscribed. Like this video if you like the video. Hit me up on social media. Follow me on Instagram. Until next time, take it easy, and we'll see you later.
I'm a true champion.